Now we know what simple interest is, that is principal into rate into time over 100. Now what is the basic idea behind compound interest? Compound interest comes into factor if the money is borrowed for more than 1 year. First of all, if the money is borrowed for more than 1 year, if the interest is unpaid after first year, the interest is added into the principal, and now this becomes the principal for the second year. So if the interest is not paid after first year, the interest is added into the principal for the second year. Now this is the basic idea of compound interest. Now I will explain it to you by this question. First of all, we will find out what is the simple interest on 14,000 rupees borrowed for 2 years at a rate of 5%. Now we will calculate the simple interest. Now simple interest is equal to, as we know, P into R into T. So what is principal here? It is 14,000. This comes out to be 14,000 into rate. What is the rate? That is 5%. What is the time for which the money is borrowed? 2 years over 100. This comes out to be equal to 1400 rupees. So rupees 1400. Now if we have to find out the compound interest, how will we do this? We will divide this period into 2 halves, that is year by year, 2 years. So we will calculate the compound interest for first year, and then we will calculate the compound interest for the second year. So the compound interest for first year is equal to, we have principal 14,000 into 5 into 1 year over 100. How much this comes out to be? It comes out to be rupees 700. So this is the compound interest after first year. The compound interest after 2 years, first of all we need to know what is the principal. So for this, the principal is equal to 14,000, that was the initial principal, plus the interest after the first year. So we have to add 14,000 plus 700, which comes out to be 14700. So this is the principal. Now we have to calculate the compound interest for the second year, which will come out to be, principal is 14,700 into 5 into 1 over 100. This comes out to be equal to 735 rupees. So this is the amount after second year, this is the amount after first year. So the total compound interest is equal to 1435 rupees. So we have total compound interest equal to 1,435 rupees. Total simple interest is equal to 1,400 rupees. So basically we know that the compound interest is more than the simple interest, and this goes on, this satisfies everywhere. Wherever you have compound interest, it will always be greater than the simple interest.